Well, this story is coming in from Kerala that will shake you up. It's an 18-year-old girl who was raped multiple times by nearly 60 people in the last 5 years. This issue that only came to fore recently during counseling that was conducted by the Child Welfare Committee. Now, this after the victim's counselor informed the panel about the noticeable changes in her behavior. The police till now have arrested 20 people, including one minor. Now, the SIT, which is probing the matter, and according to police sources, the victim was allegedly sexually abused by her coaches, by her neighbors. Listen when it comes to the chairperson of the Child Welfare Committee on what has been found so far.
അവർ തന്ന വിവരത്തിൻ്റെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്തിൽ കുട്ടിയുടെ അമ്മയും അവിടെ സൈഡ് വിളിച്ച് ഞങ്ങൾ വിളിപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ നിന്ന് കുട്ടിയെ ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് കേൾക്കുന്ന സമയത്താണ് കുട്ടിക്കുണ്ടായ ഇത്രയും വലിപ്പമുള്ള അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇത്രയും മോശമായ ഒരു അനുഭവത്തെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ നിന്ന് കുട്ടിയുടെ അച്ഛൻ്റെ ഫോണിൽ ചിലരുടെയെങ്കിലും ഫോൺ നമ്പറുകൾ ഉണ്ടെന്നുള്ള വിവരങ്ങൾ, ചില സ്ഥലങ്ങളിൽ പോയതിൻ്റെ സ്ഥലങ്ങളെ സംബന്ധിച്ചുള്ള സൂചനകളൊക്കെ തന്നെ ആദ്യ ഇരിപ്പിൽ തന്നെ പറഞ്ഞു. പക്ഷേ നമുക്ക് CWCന് അത്രയും ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് കുട്ടികളോട് ഇൻട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയില്ല. അത് കൗൺസിലിങ്ങിന് വിടുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ പ്രാഥമികമായി ഞങ്ങൾ കേട്ടതിന് ശേഷം കുട്ടിയെ കൗൺസിലിങ്ങിന് വിധേയമാക്കുകയാണ്. അതിൻ്റെ അസാധാരണത്വം ബോധ്യപ്പെട്ടാണ് ഞങ്ങളത് സൈക്കോളജിസ്റ്റിന് തന്നെ കൈമാറുന്നത്. സൈക്കോളജിസ്റ്റ് ആദ്യ റൗണ്ട് റിപ്പോർട്ട് ഏതാണ്ട് 62 പേരുടെ പേര് ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന റിപ്പോർട്ട് തന്നു.
Now, the NCW has taken cognizance of this incident as it demanded a report from the Kerala police in the next 3 days.
It is a serious concern. I think Kerala police should take this very, very seriously. They must arrest everybody who was involved in it, and the things should come out that who were those people. Were they like from the family or outside the family, or some influential people who were doing this? And I also would request DGP Kerala to take things seriously and arrest everyone immediately. A girl who is been sexually assaulted by so many men from last so many years, she should be given medical aid also immediately.
5 साल तक 64 लोगों ने लगातार रेप किया, मतलब सिस्टम तो कोलैप्स हो चुका है. और ये इतना खतरनाक है कि डेफिनेटली जब इसकी वृहद जांच होगी तो मेरे को ऐसे संकेत मिलते हैं कि इसमें और बच्चियां भी इन्वॉल्व हो सकती. ऐसे लोग बिना पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन के कैसे काम कर रहे थे? ऐसे लोग जो बच्चे के संपर्क में थे वो कैसे इतने दिनों तक बच सके? इन सब के मामलों पर जांच होनी चाहिए. हमको शिकायत इस मामले में प्राप्त हुई है. हम शिकायत के अनुसार इस मामले में कार्रवाई के लिए राज्य सरकार को लिख रहे हैं.
Arpita is joining us right now. Arpita, this is horrifying to say the least as far as such cases now being reported. As far as in this case, this victim, this woman here is concerned, possibly was a minor when this abuse started. What is, as far as the investigation on the side that you are picking up? We are told at least 20 interests, including a minor, have been arrested so far.
Well, Amita, that's right. But now the latest that's coming in, I'm live from Pathanamthitta police station, and the latest that's coming in is that 9 more people are in custody. They have been questioned. They are being questioned now currently, and 9 more people are taken into custody. But total number of arrests made so far is 20, out of which 1 is a minor, and 9 more people are now being questioned. Now, remember, NCW has also taken cognizance in the matter. They have asked Kerala police to submit a report within 3 days. Now, also remember, the survivor is a Dalit girl, and therefore POCSO Act and also SC/ST Act has been registered in this case, and a special investigating team has been formed, and they are investigating the matter. Remember, this incident came to light in front of NCW 15 days back. After counseling her for 15 days, they had put the complaint in front of the police, and now the police is investigating the matter.
Right. Arpita, is there a family involved as far as when it comes to the survivor in the case that you've been speaking about? What have they been saying in this case? What happened to their daughter?
So when the counseling happened, the police had informed her mother, and the counseling happened while her mother was with her. So the mother, her parents particularly said they were not aware of any such incident. Her mother got to know about the incident when she was informed by the police during the counseling. This is what we are getting to know from her parents' side. They have said they were completely unaware of the fact that what was their child going through all these 5 years, and they are shocked and they don't know what to say at this moment. But yes, the investigation is underway and the parents want strict action against those 60 people. Remember, over 60 people have been were assaulting her over 5 years. Now this is very shocking and parents are shocked completely. So we need to wait and watch how the investigation is going to pan out, and we need to see what next will happen from here.
So what is the role that is now being played on part of the NCW or the National Commission for Women?
So they have asked the Kerala police to strictly submit a report within 3 days. They have condemned the attack. They have said that abusing someone for 5 years, and that too, the number is very huge. The girl has named around 62 people. Precisely during the counseling, the girl has named 62 people. So NCW is saying that the Kerala police should immediately arrest all the 62 named, and they have condemned the attack and they have asked for a report from Kerala police within 3 days.
All right. Thank you very much, Arpita, for joining in. Well, as far as horrifying this case that has now been reported, the survivor now, who has spoken out finally of the years of abuse that she had to endure with over 60 predators, around 20 of them that have already been taken into custody. We'll get you more on that back after a short break.